everyone. I am Ren Gonzalez Pagkaliwagan. Thank you for this recognition. As a student with autism spectrum disorder, I've learned that success doesn't always look the same for everyone. And that's okay. I'm grateful to my family, teachers and classmates who have supported and understood me along the way. This award will remind me that being different does not mean being less. It means being unique. I'm proud of how far I've come and will continue to do my best. Keep going, keep learning, and don't be afraid to be yourself. Thank you and God bless us all.